Today, we are diving into something that can drastically boost your views, your watch hour, and overall channel growth on YouTube, which is end screens and cards. These features might seem very small, but they are very powerful tools which you should be using. And most YouTubers overlook it. If you want to keep your audience engaged, if you want to encourage them to watch more of your content and drive more subscribers, then you need to use these features very wisely. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use end screens and card to take your channel growth to the next level. First, for those who are new to this, let me quickly explain what end screens and cards are. End screens are interactive elements that show up in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. You can use them to promote other videos, playlists, channels, or even encourage subscribers to subscribe to your channel. Cards are clickable pop-ups that appear at any point in your video. They can link to other videos and playlists. So both of these features are designed in a way that they will keep your audience engaged for a very long time, and they play a huge role in increasing your overall watch time. So how do they exactly help? The first one is that they increase your watch time. So on YouTube, we know that watch time is the cocoa. Watch time is king on the YouTube space. So the longer people watch your videos, the more the algorithm will push your videos to a wider audience. So let's say someone is watching your video and the card pops up. There's every likelihood that such viewer will click on it to watch what is on it, thereby leading to more time being spent on your channel watching videos, and this will definitely increase your watch hour. So overall, it means you've added one more view to that video which you put up as a card, and you've also added more watch time from the two videos. So when you strategically place cards and end screens on your videos, it helps people to binge watch your videos, thereby increasing your watch time. You create a flow that helps people to stay longer on your channel. The longer they stay on your channel, the longer your videos perform. The second reason is that it promotes more content without being pushy. So end screens and cards are very important because you are like promoting your other content and you're not being pushy about it. They see it and then it appears, and all they need to do is just to click on it to watch it. With cards, you can recommend a video while you're still talking in your video. Maybe you've had to say something about a particular video in your present video. You are able to pop up the card, which will enable them to go back and watch it. End screens work the same way. Instead of just saying bye and leaving it at bye, people just see the end screen and they are, able to click on that end screen to watch other videos as well. So you can smoothly direct your audience to another video that you have using your end screen. This will help them stay much longer. The third reason is that it drives more subscriptions to your channel. So if someone has watched your video to the end, it's because they are really interested in that video, and it's a great opportunity to tell them to subscribe, because with end screens you can add the subscribe button to it, which will enable them to subscribe after watching your video. So instead of you just hoping that they will subscribe after telling them to subscribe, if the subscribe button is there, this will help them to take action straight away. So this can make a whole lot of difference. Studies have even shown it that more people subscribe to your channel after they have enjoyed your content at the end of the video. It's way better than asking them to subscribe from the beginning when they haven't even watched what you have to offer them. Another reason why it is important is that you can cross-promote your playlist and series. For example, if you have some series of a particular thing that you are doing on your channel, you can use that to promote it. So if you have a series of topics that you are dealing with in your channel, maybe as a playlist, the moment you add your end screen or your card into it, it will take them to all those videos, and this will help to promote people watching them. So let's say you have a series going on and the viewer has just watched part 1. The end screen would help them to go into part 2. Also, it's not just about the video alone. You can also promote playlists. You can add your playlist as your end screen instead of just one video. Another reason is that it can promote other channels and even external links. So for example, if you are doing a collaboration with another creator, you can use the end screen, you can use the cards to promote their videos. And also if you are a YouTube partner, you can also use cards to promote external links as well. So this kind of collaboration is great for sharing audiences and also for building community. You can also link an online store, affiliate links using cards. So this is a very powerful tool for those monetizing their content beyond YouTube. So by adding a card at the right time in your video, this would also help to increase your sales for whatever it is that you are doing. So now let me quickly walk you through how to add end screens and cards into your video. So guys, here we are. So when you want to add an end screen while trying to upload, you go to your create button, upload videos, select a video that you want to use, and from your photo library, I'll just be using, let me use this as an example, and then you add your video. So it has uploaded now, and then you put in your details and all. That's not where we are going. The main place is the video element. So when you come to the video element, you can see add an end screen here or add cards. Okay then, so now we're going to be adding a card here. You can see add subtitles, add an end screen, and then we have add cards. Let's try add cards. You click on add, and then you can add a video. If you want to add a video, you click here. If you want to add a playlist, you click here, or even a channel, you click here. So in this case, I'll be adding a video, and then I click the plus button, and then I could add how to stay confident and positive. So now you have added the video card, and then you have to choose the amount of time, the exact time you want the card to show in your video. So this is a 4 minutes long video, right? It depends on what you are saying and when you want the card to show. But even if you are not saying anything that relates to the card, but you still want to drive more traffic into your video, you can bring it into the middle and just add the card from like 2 minutes. So you can come here to do the adjustments to 2 minutes, and that's it. So if you look at it, you can see the sign of the card here. It's already showing there, and then you click save. It's as simple as that. And you can see the green mark here showing that you've added the card. And then let's come to the end screen. You click on add as well. You have different types of end screen here. You have one video with 1 subscribe, 1 video, 1 subscribe, 2 videos, 1 subscribe, and all sorts. So you choose a particular one. For this video, I'll just pick this one, and already it's already showing a particular video. So if you don't want this video, you can click on it. You can click here to pick another video, or click on best for viewer, and then YouTube will put the exact one. This one here is the subscribe button, and then you click save, and that's it. If you feel like editing again, you can still come back here to edit and do it any way you want, and that's how to do it. So the key is to use them strategically without overwhelming your viewers. Place cards when they are most relevant, and use end screens to guide your audience to watch your next video. So the goal is to keep them engaged for as long as possible on your content. So these features are a must use. If you haven't been using them, please do so. This will help you a whole lot. So if you have found this video very helpful, please subscribe for more growth tips and hit the thumbs up button. And also, if you have any questions concerning how to use the end screen and cards, I'll be available to answer you in the comment section. Until I see you in my next video, bye.